friends, welcome back to Simply Food Recipes. Today we are making creamy roasted garlic spread. Simple ingredients, big garlic flavor and perfect for bread, crackers or honestly just a spoon. We start by peeling all the garlic and tossing it straight into baking dish. No need to be precise here, rough is totally fine. And yes, we are using a lot of garlic because this spread is all about that flavor. Now pour olive oil all over the garlic. We want it nicely submerged, almost covered completely, so it roasts gently and evenly. And don't worry, this oil is packed with flavor, so nothing is going to waste. Place the baking dish into a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit and bake it for about 40 minutes. This slow roast is what turns sharp garlic into something soft, sweet and spreadable. Since every oven is different, keep checking on it as it bakes. You want the garlic to be lightly browned and very soft. Not pale, but definitely not burnt. It should mash easily with a fork and smell sweet, not sharp. If it still feels firm, just give it a few more minutes. When it's ready, take it out and let it cool so it doesn't burn up the whipped cream cheese later. While the garlic cools down, take some fresh parsley and give it a good rinse. Pat it dry so we are not adding extra water. Then chop it nice and small. Take your time here. Smaller pieces mix in better and give you that fresh flavor in every bite without overpowering the spread. Once the garlic has cooled, drain the oil into a clean jar with a lid. Don't throw this away. This is garlic-infused olive oil and it's packed with flavor. Use it for roasted potatoes, vegetables, salads or anything you want a little extra garlic without doing more work. Transfer the roasted garlic into a mixing bowl and start mashing it with a fork. You will notice the soft garlic pushes out while the skin stays in slightly bigger pieces. That's totally normal. Don't worry about making it perfectly smooth, it still tastes amazing and blends in really well. Now add the whipped cream cheese right into the bowl. Whip works best here because it mixes easily and keeps the spread light and fluffy. Add the mayonnaise. This helps everything come together and makes the spread extra creamy without overpowering the garlic. Season lightly with salt and black pepper. Start small. You can always adjust later, especially since the garlic already brings a lot of flavor. Now mix everything together until it's well combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as you go so all the garlic gets mixed in evenly. You are looking for a creamy, spreadable texture where everything comes together nicely. Add the chopped parsley and mix one last time until it's evenly distributed. You want little bits of green throughout so every bite has freshness and flavor. And we are done. Yay! Transfer the spread into a jar with a lid or any container you can close. Serve it with bread, baguette, crackers or fresh vegetables, whatever you like most. It also keeps really well in the fridge, so you can make it ahead. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow for more from Simply Food Recipes. See you next time!